I'm Juliana Kwaski, Associate Dean for Academic Affairs for Tulane School of Professional Advancement, or what we know as SOPA. SOPA's mission is to provide distinctive education to a diverse student population in New Orleans and beyond. One of the ways we achieve this is through offering high-quality online courses by working with subject matter experts like you, people who have distinguished themselves in their fields, who can offer practical insight to our students to make the connection between theory and practice. In this brief video, you will learn about our course development process and hear from a few experts like yourselves who have built online courses for SOPA.
As subject matter experts, you are our greatest asset to building exceptional learning experiences. And that's exactly what you will be doing in this workshop.
In this fully online workshop, you will be led by an instructional designer through the process of developing a master course directly in our learning management system, Canvas. It will become a part of the SOPA course inventory. You will work through your own course build or course revision online with the SOPA instructional designer while having the opportunity to share resources, challenges, and feedback with other subject matter experts developing courses in the same program.
And something that I enjoyed the most is the way that the SOPA team runs the workshop is giving you a very clear example of how you can run your course, from different things, from how to set up modules and announcements and email communication and where to ask questions and how to get a response. I felt very supported throughout the whole process, and I am so grateful for that as part of this experience.
Over this 12-week workshop, you will be working with your program directors, instructional designers, and incredible support staff to create course content and media that create a synergistic platform with which the students engage and learn.
Developing an online course, an excellent one, is a rigorous process because the online course is tangible, meaning the alignment of objectives, activities, and assessments needs to be clear, so faculty must be very intentional about the curriculum design.
Availability to staff support to assist me in getting over the humps. There were lots of humps, sometimes on a weekly basis, sometimes they were almost daily. But I did have access to support, whether it was through the department staff who made themselves available to me, or through the course development workshop coordinator, David, and I think that was probably my best support.
If I were to go through the workshop again, I would compile all my information sooner, and I would probably start the process of uploading it sooner rather than later, especially in those periods where you have about 2 weeks to work on your workshops.
Be patient with the process. The process will get you from point A to point B. And at point B, you will be very pleased with what you've been able to accomplish. So my advice, again, just be patient with the process.
Break the mold. You may have already taught many times in the past and had good success. But for this process, be mindful of not restraining yourself to the way it's always been done. The way the course has been taught in the past should not be the standard for this course build process. Expand, explore, innovate throughout this course build process.
Our team of program directors, instructional designers, and staff are here to support you and the important work that you are doing. Thank you for helping us to create high-quality online courses at SOPA.